So you have a broken rake. Rather than throwing it away and buying a new one, instead, why not fix it? Well, in this video, I'll be sharing DIY repairs and creative things that strengthens the tool, makes it better than new, and prolongs its life. Welcome to Suburban DIY. My name is Rich. Let's first address the broken handle. Here we're adding a dowel for additional strength. Clean with acetone and then attach the rake to the handle. We're using roofing nails for rivets because it's what we have on hand. Use shrink tube with a 3-to-1 shrinking ratio to protect the most vulnerable part, the connection between the handle and the shaft. Treat the handle with several coats of boiled linseed oil. Here we're adding more 3-to-1 shrink tube, this case for comfort. So with a little effort and creativity, we saved yet another tool from the dump and gave it new life for years to come. If you'd like to learn more about fixing other tools and a lot of other things, check out the Fixing Cool Things playlist. Thanks for watching.